what do we have to do? Complete the method that takes a boolean value and return a yes string for true or no string for false. And we have either true or false as an input, which are both boolean values. So what we can do is to use a conditional statement. If the argument, in other words, true, boolean, if boolean is with double equal sign true, then we have to return the string yes with the capital Y. And if on the other hand the boolean is false, we should return no with the capital N. Let's attempt this. There you go. What you can do alternatively is to use the built-in function bool. So let me demonstrate that. Bool, and to place the argument between parentheses, if bool boolean, in other words, if bool is true, colon, you should return yes. And in all the other cases, you should return no. Else, return no. And the thought behind it is that the boolean value true evaluates to true, but the boolean value false doesn't evaluate to true. So this statement won't execute in that case. Let's attempt that, and it works out well.